Okay, this is the test that I've been doing. This pattern indicates that the Wi-Fi is trying to connect. If it's red, then the Wi-Fi shield's broken. So you can see how long that took. Then just initializing screen, and now it's playing the first video. This was created in Flash, exported out at 30 by 10 pixels. And these have all been exported as bitmap files. This is the time, so this is hooked up to my server. The Wi-Fi sent a request and it got the time from the server. The colors, still going to work on that. This is a generative pattern which starts off and rotates through the color wheel, so using hue going from 0 to 360. Iterates around in a snake-like pattern, so it can go left, right, up or down, never goes back on itself, and it generates this pattern. This currently lasts for about 30 seconds. So it will go to the time next. As I said, the colours I need to experiment around with. This is the first test I did, and you may be able to make out it's a pair of eyes. So I filmed myself, put it through Premiere, and eventually exported it out as 30 by 10. Not the best example, but it can look a little spooky, especially if you're at a distance. Again, this colour pattern doesn't quite work, but I'm going to tinker around with that. Now I've got a matrix style pattern. And it will go to the time again, and I believe it will either go to the ripples or the date. There we go. So some of this is all being dragged off information from my server. The weather information, which will come up, and I haven't worked on that too much, but at the moment it will display after this ripple pattern the weather which has been received from an API from the World Weather Organization, I think it's called, or World Weather Online. This is just a message going through. Didn't show up too well, and at the moment it's 24 degrees outside. That's all come from the information. So some of the information I can get from the server, I'm looking at ticking it up for Twitter feeds, for Facebook notifications, so that's some things I need to look through, and now it's gone back through to the start. So this is everything that I've done so far. Some more bits and pieces which I want to place in, some icons for the weather to show what the conditions are going to be like, and also showing future weather, which I haven't quite got around to yet, although the information is actually on the Arduino now. It's using the Arduino Mega 2560. It's also using the official Wi-Fi shield. There's been some issues I've had, but I'll write those up at another time. So that's pretty much it.